Log into your account, go to your profile, find license portal. In here, you can see your current license, grade, period. Also, if license renewal is available, you can click here and continue to renew your current license, or click here to select one of the items that is available based on your current license situation. For example, as a grade A driver, you can either downgrade to other grades of driver license, downgrade to a stable hand, or apply for new trainer licenses. In this case, for example, you can continue with trainer B license. Continue. On the first screen, you need to provide your personal information. If these information already exist in your record, they will be pre-populated. Otherwise, they will be blank and you will need to continue adding them. If any of the fields are mandatory, you will need to complete them before continuing. You can either mark your mailing address same as residential or modify it separately. Continuing to the next screen, there are some questions for you to answer. If the answer to any of these questions are yes, you will need to provide further responses. You will need to mark these declarations. After all the questions are answered and the declarations are marked, the next button will activate. If you are asked for any financial information, you will need to complete them, or if you want, you can modify them further and confirm the details are correct. That's the same case for tax details. If you're a hobbyist or not, you should provide a valid ABN number and mention if you are GST registered or not. Again, the next button will activate. Any documents that are mentioned here are mandatory for you to be able to submit the application, but if you don't have them handy, you can continue with uploading some of them. When you upload, the button will turn as uploaded and you can either delete it or leave. You have selected a photo to upload for your license photo. If it has been asked for, you will get the option to resize, rotate, or crop the image and then select to upload it. This will be saved as your new license photo. If at this stage you don't have some of the documents handy, you can continue to the next screen. Anything you have already uploaded will be saved. If you have been asked for your betting account declarations, if you don't have any, you can just simply declare that you do not have any betting accounts. But if you do, you can add the details here. Some of the wagering services are already marked here. Your date of birth, if the account is under your name, the date it has been opened, the name of the account holder. You may leave this blank or add the account number here and then click next. On the last screen, you will be able to review the details you have provided, any of the sections you have completed within the screens. And then you will see here that some of these documents are not yet provided and you need to provide them before submission. Otherwise, the submit application will not be available. You have two options at this point. You can either save and exit, or you can go back to the screen and upload the documents. If at any point of applying for this license, you save and exit, on the dashboard screen, you will see an option, draft applications, and it'll indicate what is the application type that is pending to be completed. You can either select delete, which will delete this draft, or resume. If you have any drafted applications available, you will not get to start another application. So you should either delete that or resume the existing application. It will take you back to the very last screen you have proceeded to. Now, to continue with the application, you should go back, upload that given document, and continue. Before you submit the application, you will be able to modify any information within the given steps. At this point, you have options to select the payment with an online payment, add the details, continue, and make the payment. Now your application has been submitted. You will be able to see the details for your application again. You can either print it or return to the dashboard screen where now you would see this pending state approval that is for this given license type, and you can again review the details for that given application.